Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be coming out here and we're going to do a little work on the C55. I replaced the AC compressor on this thing. Well, it was actually last summer, and you know, we weren't really driving it that much, you know, and I never recharged the system on it. So today, yeah, basically going to get out here and, you know, vacuum down the system with one of these Pittsburgh air operated vacuum pumps, and yeah, we're going to recharge it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is locate the ports on your air conditioning system, and right there's one, and now the other one here is kind of hidden. It's right down here underneath the this little cover right up here by the grill, and you basically you know, want to get in there and hook up your lines. And yeah, it basically only kind of goes one way. You can't connect the high side you know, to the low side, or you know, vice versa. So we'll see right here. And now once you get your lines connected up there, you want to go ahead and open up the valves. And yeah. Now basically how this vacuum pump here works, I basically have it connected up to my air compressor inside, and what we'll do is, you know, we'll just hook this up and basically let it vacuum down the system. And now you'll want to do this for about, oh, I don't know, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You know, you can hear it down here making a little bit of noise. That's basically, you know, it's just pulling the moisture out of the system. You know, that's pretty much why you you know, vacuum it down. So I'll let this run for, you know, a while, and yeah, we'll get to recharging it after that. Alright, now that it's basically kind of went out and gotten dark on me, you know, I got some of this oil recharge here, and you want to shake it up you know, pretty good before, you know, you start trying to put it in. And yeah, so basically I'm just going to shake it up real good, and then we'll start the car and see if it'll take it. All right, I wasn't even thinking, but these gauges here, well, at least this hose, um, this won't work with a self-sealing can, like the cans that you can get at Walmart and, places like that. To be able to use, a set of gauges like this, you basically have to go down and get your Freon from probably an auto parts store. But I can show you basically what I've done. I've got this attachment. I've got this attachment right here that I did happen to pick up at Walmart, and now this will work with a self-sealing can. And it does have a gauge on it, but I'm not really worried about that gauge. I just need to make sure that I get the correct amount of Freon put in it. And yeah, basically it's right at about 3 cans, but I'll talk about that here after a minute. And this is, after I filled up the air conditioner, you can see right there that it's sitting at about almost 50 degrees coming out of the vent. And now that I'm stopped, it's going to gradually climb up. But whenever I was driving, it got down to almost 45 degrees coming out of the vent. And I'm pretty happy with that. It'll do all right. All right, so basically in the end, after filling up the air conditioning system in my car, I ended up using 3 cans of this oil charge, and I used 2 cans of just regular refrigerant with that hose adapter there. And I would have been able to use the gauges if I had bought the regular non self-sealing can. For some reason that that type of can there won't hook up to those gauges that I used. But now I did completely have the air conditioning compressor off of this car, which was a pain to get out. But this right here is basically what it takes to completely fill up the AC system after you've done a compressor change. But I think I'm going to leave it off at that. And for basically everybody that's kind of stuck around this long, you probably watched a few of my videos. These are tail lights that I actually pulled off of a car in a salvage yard around here, along with this grill. They need to be cleaned up a little bit. This grill here, it's just a little dirty, but it's nowhere near as bad as the grill on my SD. So yeah, those will be coming along on another video. But if you like my content and you enjoyed this video with my C55, give it a like, and consider subscribing. I do have a little bit of work that I'm probably going to get around to doing on this car. Some of the lights on it are out, and yeah, so yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.